everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Creative Flamingo. I'm Jay, and today I have a Hobby Lobby clearance sale haul for you. Before I get started with the haul, you know I gotta take a moment to welcome you back. Hey, and if you're new, welcome. If you are new and wondering what we do here we do crafts, DIYs, and crafty hauls. And with all that said, let's get this Hobby Lobby sale haul. So I have are some vinyl. And well, first of all, I went to, look at me keep doing this, but I went to Hobby Lobby and I was shocked because I just went in there for a planner for my daughter, and they had some clearance things on sale. It's not the 90% clearance. I know, I wish I would have got in on that, but it was there was all kind of like dies. If you have a die cut machine, there were stamps on clearance, and there was even just like I said, all kind of things throughout the store. I just kind of walked through the store and picked up the things I wanted. I don't have a die cutting machine yet, so I didn't get any dies. I kind of want to though, and just have like a stockpile, but that might be hoarding. That might be hoarding. So the first things I have are vinyl, and you see me because I talk with my hands, but here is what the actual sale price was, $3.74. And yeah, this vinyl is their brand of vinyl, but it works pretty good in my I have a Cricut now, but I'm definitely going to get a Silhouette as soon as I can because I'm just not feeling the Cricut. I'm sorry y'all, I know Cricut is the popular girl, but I prefer my Silhouette. But look how pretty this vinyl is. Oh, this is gonna be so pretty. My youngest daughter is into space theme, and I think this would be so cute to cut a planet out of and put on a t-shirt for her, because this is iron on vinyl. And next they actually had some Cricut vinyl, and it was on clearance for $3.12, and they only had this color on clearance, but I grabbed it because it's just like a really pretty blue, and it's a holographic, I have to read, holographic sparkle vinyl. So I grabbed one of those, and I don't know why I didn't grab two of these. I don't know why. And this was $5.49, and it's the smart vinyl. Oh, here's what it looks like. It's holographic and it's iron on vinyl as well. So I'll make some really cute shirts for my girls with this. What do y'all do with iron on vinyl besides t-shirts? Because I feel like I only do t-shirts with it, but I feel like there's more things I could do, and I just stick with t-shirts. But that's what it looks like. This isn't like a really large haul because I don't know why, I just didn't grab that many things this time. Also there's some few stores sprinkled in, and the first one is Target, and I just want to show you these for $1. And let me show you, it's the Ghost Breath, but it's really glitter and it says boo. But you could do some crafting with these, or I'm just going to leave them as is and just set them out. I found this one and it says Rotten Pumpkins, but you could really craft with these pumpkins, and it doesn't have to be Halloween crafts you could do, because this vial, yeah, this was only $1, so you could do fall crafts with this as well. So cute. When my girls were little, I would take little shapes like this. I don't know if you can see that pumpkin, but I would take shapes like that pumpkin and put an earring post on it and make cute little earrings for them. But here's what that looks like. So I grabbed that. I grabbed this pack of napkins, and it says Thankful. I am in a napkin swap, and that we do a craft once a month. They're pretty, and there's so many in here. I can send some away and keep some for myself. I got this stand of pumpkin. All items were on sale for half off at the time I shot this video, so I went ahead and grabbed this. I like the way this looks, and look at the back. You could still do something for Halloween, something for fall, or if you don't do Halloween, you could do one side fall and one side Thanksgiving, or you could make this a snowman. I don't know why I just thought of that just now, because I've seen people do that, but it just clicked to me that I think I might make this a snowman. I don't know yet. I may go back and get more because, oh gosh, no, I don't need to do that, y'all. Tell me not to do that. I don't need more. I do not need to go back and get more, but I am in love with the idea of making this part a snowman. This was a good deal because usually we make stuff like this from Dollar Tree, and look how thick this is. And this was half off, so it was $7.99, so it ended up being $4. But we normally, if you do Dollar Tree crafts, and you normally will buy the pumpkins each separate, so that would be 1, 2, 3. You would need to even buy something for the pumpkins to stand on. That's 4. And since Dollar Tree now is $1.25, $75 versus, actually it comes out cheaper at Hobby Lobby. So, and look how detailed it is. I'm just saying, it's just, and plus the size of snowman now. just gonna say this side is a snowman. So I definitely grabbed that. You know, I probably will go back and grab another one. I hope they have more there because I mean, I need a pair, right? I need a pair. Yeah, I need a pair. Next, I have some ribbon, and this did not come from Hobby Lobby. I actually was looking for a fall ribbon at Hobby Lobby and I couldn't find any at the time I went, and this surprisingly came from Walmart, and it was $4 something. I just say $5, $4.98. I just say $5. But do you see that truck? How they are doing black with fall now? They're doing black and orange with fall, and I am here for it because you could just do Halloween. You can keep your from fall to all the way for even Thanksgiving, all the way to Christmas. You can keep everything up. But I really like that. I'm a sucker for anything with that rustic truck on it anyway. So, but I thought that was pretty. Now back to Hobby Lobby. These were on clearance, and I don't know if this is a good price. You'll have to tell me, but it's $4.49. And these are some distress embossing glaze by Tim Holtz, and this is Distress Gloss. I follow Tim Holtz on YouTube, and I think like on Saturdays they do lives where he shows like what people made with his products, and I always like want to make some of that stuff. I'm not the best paper crafter at all, but I'm learning. I'm learning by watching your videos. Next, I grabbed these stickers, and you know why? The truck, the pumpkins, everything was just too pretty. It was in the fall section, so it was half off, so it ended up being $1.50. And I really like these. I hope that I remember to make earrings with these. I keep saying I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make earrings, and I never get to it, and then before I know it, it's gonna be Halloween and Christmas. So I really hope I get to it because I love the color of this truck, and I think that would be fun. I think that would be really fun. Next, for $1.49, I got these really pretty flowers. So I thought this would be cute in my paper crafting journey. These really pretty flowers, and these are on clearance for $1.49, and they have like a sparkly rhinestone in the middle, and they're purple. And for $1.49, I thought this was a really good price because the quality, these are some really nice flowers, and they have the rhinestone in them. So I feel like the price was really good. I have are these Snowflake Charms, and this was on clearance for $1.24, so Dollar Tree price. And I thought these are really, really pretty, and I couldn't believe these are on clearance because I'm like, Christmas and winter is going to be around the corner. But also, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. But these are like metal charms, and they're on a hook, so I can make a charm bracelet with these. I can definitely make earrings with these. Those would be so easy to put on a hook to make earrings. I don't know. They're a little heavy to me for earrings, so we'll see. I know they're for paper crafts, but I'm gonna probably make jewelry with it. The end of this crafty haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate you for watching, especially if you made it to the end. And I will see you next time, next craft, next DIY. Bye.